Hello everyone, my name is Amarai Thompson. It's time to unbox the God of War 4. Let's go. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you very much. Okay, so we got God of War 4. There's the front side of it. There's the back side of it. Some nice graphics there. Nicely sealed. Hit it from the side here. That's a tight seal. Definitely a tight seal. Alright. Nice matte finish. Artwork's great. No more manuals anymore. Got rid of that a long time ago, didn't they? What is this? So that's something to do with PlayStation Plus. We've got the Blu-ray disc here. Nice and shiny. Yeah, that looks cool. That's what we want to see. God of War. There's my camera. Hello. Some instructions at the back as well. Here's a closer look at the art at the back. Closer look off the front. You've got the side.